Millie, are you excited that your friends are here? Oh, yes. Oh, how fun. We're having our dog party. Let's get started. My dog, Millie, wanted to invite some friends over for a dog party. We decided that we needed to make some homemade toys and treats. We wanted to teach you how to do it so you can have a dog party of your own. Let's get started. Oh boy, we're having a dog party. Come on in, Lacey. Come on in, Polly. Oh, it's so good to see everybody. Now that the dogs are here, we thought we'd jump right in and let them play. Here's our family friend Manning showing Polly the first toy that we're going to show you how to make. I think she's really enjoying this water bottle toy. Let's make one. For this water bottle toy, all you need is a water bottle and a sock. Sometimes I've let my dog play with an empty water bottle because she likes the noise it makes when she squishes it. I've been concerned that she might chew through the plastic and tear it and accidentally swallow some. This is an easy solution to that problem. All you have to do is empty out your water bottle and put it in a sock. Push it all the way down to the bottom and tie a knot. Your dog will still be entertained with all the noise and the fun, but the plastic will be wrapped up in a much safer way. Still, it's always good to watch your dog when they have a toy, because you don't want anything to happen. Isn't that a fun sound? Polly had some fun with our next toy. It's a frozen one. Let me show you how to make it. For a frozen sock toy, all you need is a sock. You're going to tie the sock into a knot, like this. Then you'll want to get it wet and put it in the freezer for a few hours. What a nice thing for a dog to be able to chew on a cool sock, especially in these summer months and when a dog is teething. Millie is going to need some dog treats for her dog party. Let's start with these apple cinnamon treats. You'll need dry, quick cook oats, cinnamon applesauce, or just add some cinnamon to some regular applesauce, and an egg. In a bowl, put 1 cup of quick oats and half a cup of your cinnamon applesauce. Stir these until they are well blended. Add an egg and beat it with a fork, then stir up the mixture. Next, use parchment paper to cover up a cookie sheet, or you can spray it with oil. Just be sure not to use grapeseed oil or any oil that your dog may be allergic to. Use a tablespoon and drop the batter onto the cookie sheet. You can make them whatever size you want. The size that I made them made 9 cookies. Next, bake these cookies in a 350-degree oven for about 22 minutes. Be sure to let them cool completely before giving them to your precious puppy. Want a special treat, Millie? Here you go. Ooh, that's a good one. Millie is very picky, and I think she likes these apple cinnamon treats. One treat just won't be enough. Millie has requested a pumpkin treat for her friends. Let's learn how to make one. To make a simple pumpkin treat, you'll need flour, cinnamon, pumpkin, and an egg. Crack your egg into a bowl and beat it with a fork. Add 1/3 cup of pumpkin, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and stir it all up. Add 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup at a time. Mix it every time you add something. The batter is very sticky, so I put it in the refrigerator for an hour at least. Now it's time to get a little messy. Use a parchment-covered cookie sheet and take the sticky dough. It shouldn't be too sticky because it's been in the refrigerator, but take little balls of it and put it onto your cookie sheet like this. Now spread out the dough with your fingers to make it more of a flat shape. Fido won't mind if they're not a perfect shape. Bake them in an oven that's been heated to 350 degrees for 20 minutes and let them cool. Millie, would you like a pumpkin treat? Here you go. Oh, that's a good one too. It wouldn't be a party for Millie if we didn't have peanut butter treats. Let's learn how to make them. For peanut butter treats, you'll need flour, peanut butter, an egg, and some water. First, crack the egg in a bowl and beat it with a fork. Add a 1/4 cup of peanut butter or any type of nut butter. Stir the mixture with a fork. Add a cup of flour and mix that. Add water a tablespoon at a time to moisten the mixture. I ended up adding 3 tablespoons of water, and then I stirred it and got it ready to be shaped into a ball. I put it on a cutting board, and now I'm going to roll it out so I can use cookie cutters and make fun shapes. I chose a heart because I love my dog, and I chose a tree because she sniffs every tree when we go on a walk. Here they are all cut out. I put them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Be sure to let them cool before your dog enjoys them. Millie was so excited she started to dance over her peanut butter treat. Okay, are you ready for a treat? Okay, Millie had these special for you for the party. Here you go. That's it. Everybody gets a little pumpkin treat. There you go. Oh, aren't those so good? Okay, let me go get you a peanut butter treat. Everybody ready? All right, everybody gets a peanut butter treat. Oh, Millie's still busy. Hold on, Polly. Okay, here we go. There's a peanut butter treat. Millie, you want peanut butter? Here we go. Oh, y'all are doing so good. Okay, Millie made you one more kind of treat. Oh, Grammy here, coming by the party here. Let's see here. All right, we've got an apple cinnamon treat for y'all. Millie, want one more treat? Such a girl. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one, isn't it? All right. Well, thank you for coming to Millie's party today. Really good girl. I think Millie, Polly, and Lacey all had a great time. I know I did. Let me know if you make any of these treats or toys. You can email me at bowen@mcls.ms.